Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video of Fox the Graveyard Keeper. I almost said Dungeon Keeper. Now that would be an interesting game. Okay, we're continuing on in where we left off. So, let's go. And I'll be honest, I don't always remember exactly what it was I was doing when I left off. Maybe I should start keeping track of that. I do remember one thing though. I finally learned how to make the humble marker for the graveyards. Or the grave plots in the graveyard. Oh, excuse me. It was here at the sawhorse. Yeah, I gotta remember I can hit LB and right B. And I'm doing it on the controller. Oh, so I can do this. So I need hold on. Looks like I need flinches and nails. And to make nails, looks like I may need a forge. And I don't know what I need to make a forge yet. Oh, a furnace. I need hinges, there's stone. I kind of need quite a lot. Okay. So, looks like I'll have to get some more wood, stone, and I'll need to see the blacksmith for some pieces. Okay. Oop, that was the wrong button. Need a technology, huh? Alright, well screw you. We're just gonna pick some mushrooms. There we go. Okay, well, screw it. Chop the tree. Yeah, there we go. Not what I was trying to do. Okay, here we go. There we go. Chopping the tree. Yep. I kind of don't like having the stone wall here. I'd rather be able to just put the logs immediately there. Okay, now we go to here, go to over here. We'll do. You know, yeah, we'll do both. Oh, not what I was trying to do. Here we go. Damn it, that was the wrong button. Okay, there we go. Now we got those, so well, let's see. Okay, we need stone and the hinges. So, looks like we need to go do some mining. Right here. Wrong button again. Ugh. A piece of stone. That's not enough. We need more. More stone. Here we go. Alright, let's... Oh, wrong button. Here we go. We have 7, and I think we only need 6. Simple iron pods. Okay. Teleport stone. Take us to the Dead Horse Tavern. Let's see. The blacksmith was down this way, I believe. Yep, here we go. Blacksmith, I'd request something. I need more simple iron. Give me just 3 of those. Do I have enough? I have nowhere near enough for that, and I can't sell you anything. Son of a bitch. Yes, okay. Oh. Oh, okay, well, I wasn't trying for that. Alright, teleport stone, take us back home. Yeah, let's go under for a bit, see what was down here. Right, we can't see anything down here. Yeah, that was kind of a waste. Was any body dropped off yet? No, it doesn't look like it. Yeah, we don't have any bodies in storage. Jerry, you need wine, I remember. I guess we'll just walk on the graveyard for now. Looks like they got a few basic markers at least. Yeah, we'll move that up. Yeah, we'll remove it and replace it with a new one. This humble marker. Since I don't have anything to fix them with, we're just gonna replace them. And it's the same for this one. Remove. And then we put down this one. There we go. Okay, that's decent at least. It's only a -4. That's good. Alright, so we're gonna drop off these. Flesh, white flour. Oh, forgot we have bread. Huh. Let's see, how do I put that on like my hot bar? Oh, equip. Nope, that wasn't it. No, do not destroy. Do not destroy. There we go. We got bread. Delicious. The door is locked. Need flower beds. No, don't need that. Okay. Hold on. Let's see. No, wrong button. Here we go. Oh, known NPCs. Meet me on a mail day on Witch Hill. Don't know anything about snake. Barely know donkey. Reads +5 in the graveyard. Royal services. Yorick, Melo. Find the stamp and sell it to Hodrick. Where do I find that stamp? Maybe somewhere here? Like that place? Oh, wait, duh, almost forgot. We could probably equip that. No, do not destroy that. Okay, it looks like we can't equip it for some reason. That's fine. Let's see. It's a blue moon. What does that mean again? Oh, hey, we can talk to this person. Hello there. Finest dairy products in the village. Huh, looks like you got some butter, cheese, a bucket of milk, and a jug of milk. Huh. They even eat Let's see, where is like the... Oh, must be over here. Here we go. Who are you? Oh, hi, nice to meet you. Is that it? Oh, I can trade. Oh, I could buy stone and firewood from him. Huh. Okay, kind of good, I guess. Take a look at the map. Yeah, I'll be honest, I don't know. Oh, wait, there's a jury hall or something under the... under the tavern. Looks to be kind of an interesting place. Yeah, I should probably make like a list of what I need to do to understand what's going on. Oop, got stuck on that guy. Was it just this? You know, I'm honestly not sure what to do. Maybe I just keep exploring or something? Yeah, that's blocked off. Kitchen garden. I guess we'll just go back home and just keep clearing things out. Oh, wait, why was I about to just walk there? Telestone, sweet home. I guess we'll just walk up. Damn it, I guess we'll just walk on clearing out some of this stuff. Need technology. Okay, so can't mess with any of that. What about over here? Anything? That is this. Donkey, when are you gonna be back? Ah, wait, there we go. Okay, so if I just hold, click it, he will auto-target the next thing around him to be done. Okay, that's kind of cool. Not bad. Let's see, what can I unlock with all of this stuff? Can't do that yet, so I need to focus most on the graveyard. Oh, here we go. I can make simple gravestones now. Oh, yes, unlock. Okay. Carpenter's workbench. That's great. I can now make that stuff I need. Oh, and I'll have to get that. Okay, log. Let's go. Excuse me. Looks like we're gonna be making quite a bit of grave stuff. Looks like we'll mostly be working in the graveyard, is what I should say. Let's see, how many do we need? Oh, damn it. Okay. Yeah, looks like we need at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the actual markers. So we'll work on that first. 7 markers, or wooden crosses, I guess they would actually be called. There we go. Oh, it's Purple Sunday. That almost sounds like a YouTuber. Hey guys, Purple Sunday here. Oh right, need nails, and I can't make nails. Sawhorse, don't need that, or I have that. Right, furnace. 14 stone, that's what I need. 14, I only got 7. Here we go. I keep hitting the wrong button. Don't know why I keep doing that. Here we go. At least again something. Let's see. Oh. Well, I guess we'll take a look through here. Can't do anything there. Huh. Yeah, why not? Transplanting. Need 5 green for that. Oh, hey, there we go. Forging. Yes. That's great. Now I just need to make a frickin' furnace. You know what, hold on. I'm gonna pause real quick and look up where to get the stamp I need to sell the meat. So, be right back. Alright, looked it up. I now know where to get it. But now we just have to actually get there. Or, well, not get... Well, no, technically get there. Because we gotta, purchase it. Need 1 more stone. I keep hitting the wrong button. I'm starting to piss myself off. Okay, there we go. We now have enough stone for it. We got plenty of those. Now we just need simple iron parts. And then we'll be able to create a good furnace. I guess maybe that's kind of why you don't walk on the body hatch. That's what I'm gonna call it. Until you can pretty much sustain yourself. Okay, so to purchase it, it's through the Royal Services, right here. Oh, and that's not gonna start walking. Oh, hey, what's up? Hey, I think we're just gonna leave. I'm still walking. And yeah. Okay, let's see. To craft stuff. Just gonna walk away from him, so I can get to work. The day's only just begun, so he'll probably still be here for quite a while. Nope, not you. Take a look in the garden. Of course, nothing would be there. No, don't need a wooden marker. Hold on. Do I even have a... Huh. Hold on. Let's see. Technologies. Just go over to heal. Oh, no, heal. Oh. No, not stonework. Hold on. Right over here. Okay, here we go. Oh. Let's see. Crafted at Carpenter's Workbench. Okay, now what the hell is the carpenter's workbench? Hmm. Oh, it's all the way over there, and I can't even unlock that yet. Ah, well, punch me in the groin because that's a bitch move. Oh, okay, you know what? I could just pause right now and grind up the points needed. So, you know what? We're gonna do that, and I'll be right back. I'll see all of you folks in a second. Alright, we're back, and I now have the points needed. Oop, that's not what I meant to do. Oh, get out of here already, will ya? There we go. And woodworking. Now we'll get the carpenter's workbench, and finally stop being able to move on. Okay, good. Now that we got that, what do we need to actually build that? Because we build it, we repair the graves, get them walking, everything will be fine like wine. And okay, let's see. There it is. Oh, you gotta be freaking kidding me! We need just one simple iron. We can get that. And okay, that's it. And, Alright, Telestone. Dead Horse Tavern, please. Whoa. Oh, we finally met Miss Charm, huh? Wanna be loved by you? Huh. Shalab Dewap Wawa. Is that a... Huh, well hold on, before I talk with you, I'm gonna talk with this guy. I don't have a stamp yet, but I can sell you that, and this. What's that? Packets of meat. I already got that, I don't need it. Yeah, we'll say that's... Oh, no, I don't want that, There we go. Now we should be able to buy maybe a simple iron. We'll build it. Yeah, we'll keep moving. Huh. Oh, we got a painting. Hello. What do I want? I'm a graveyard keeper. I want to ask you some questions. You know how many days I hear that same mumbling? I have no time for you, little man. Come back when you have more faith in yourself. How much faith do I need? Demonstrate that you're worth talking to. Hell, friend. Can I have a moment? Yeah, alright. What's up? She told me literally to go away, that I don't talk enough. Don't talk up enough. She would never talk to just anyone? I'm not just anyone, I'm the local graveyard keeper. Soon to be prior to the local church. A certain poet in a small circle. Wagner. One day I'll read my poems to her and then we'll... Out of paper and ink, how terrible! Get some for ya. Okay, well... Oh. Okay, that's kind of cool. I don't have either of that. But I can get that. You may have some of the shorts so you can just make it. But a skillful man such as me could do it. Oh, could always ask the old astrologer. He's at the lighthouse every blue moon. Okay. Well then, let's go talk with the blacksmith. Because now we can buy that simple iron and keep moving forward. Why was I about to go that way? I gotta go down first. Here we go. 80 minutes into the video, we're good. Blacksmith, where are you? There you are. I've come to bargain. Not now. Oh, but I've come to bargain. There we go. Now, give me one simple iron. That's all. Ciao! Okay, Telestone, let's go home. Sweet home! Ooh, wait. Yum, 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 bread. Okay, now we can build the carpenter's workbench. Wow, that's big. Let's actually put that here. Oh, and now... first we gotta build it up. There we go. Okay. Now let's see. Frickin' nails. They're still a thorn in my side now. Oh, great. Just great. I can at least make a load of those. Okay, hold on. So what do I need for a furnace? 4 simple iron. And I'm probably not gonna be able to make that for a while, so well, I guess we're focusing on the graveyard. So how many of those little border things do I need? Oh, and I got a body. I removed some of its blood and meat, and successfully got a 2 white skull. Well, he's buried here. Okay, so that's I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. I just need 6. Alright, let's go make them. Yeah, this whole game is gonna take a long time. Oh well. Nothing's ever easy when you get our secade. Okay, so I need 6 of those, so I need 6 planks. Perfect. Ooh, good red. There we go. Okay, and now we go over to here and make 6 of these. Good, good. And we eat as we do it. Come. Huh? What's that? Tired? Huh. I guess we do need a sleep. Been up for like 2 days straight. Okay, well, let's get these placed and then we'll do some sleeping. Probably talk with Yorick in the morning. Okay, here we go. Yeah, that's good. Overpower the bad. Good, good. Place down the good ones. Just like that. Nice. And one more right here. Good, good. The quality of the grave is now at least at 2. And from there we can continue to make it all better. Now until I find... Wait a minute. How do I destroy these? Hold on. Let me try something. Go to inventory. Y is destroy... Oh, there we go. Perfect. Huh. Alright, well, I guess we'll go home and sleep. I got some mushrooms I could put on. See about baking those while I sleep. Wake up to some fresh food and 3 red points. Sorry about that, I kind of drift a little bit when I'm just holding with one hand. Hey, can you bake? Yes. Let's do it up. And now I snooze. Ah. Just a little more. There we go. Oh, it does an automatic. Huh, okay. Nice. Oh, wow. 30 points. Okay, let's see what we can unlock in technology now. Huh. Tools. Almost glass. Oh, wrong button. Firewood. Mining. We do technically need that. Because otherwise we really won't have the iron ore stockpile that we need. Okay. Huh, could get tools. I guess the next thing we'll need to get is cremation so we can burn bodies. But we can't do that until we start getting the blue orbs. And that won't be possible until we can open up the graveyard. So, looks like I think what we'll be doing now is making a furnace and a basic forge. So we're gonna need 4 simple iron. And to do that, we're gonna need a lot of food made. What else can I make? I don't have any apples, enough dough. Huh, I could technically start making some baked meat. Yeah, that seems fine. Berry juice, green jelly, red jelly. Don't have any wheat for flour, can't make dough or even pastry dough. Looks like the only thing left is just to start slicing up some of this meat. Make some baked meat and see about selling that at the Dead Horse Tavern. And, of course... Oh, right, hold on. There we go. Oh, damn it, I didn't mean to only do one, I meant to do both. Yeah, I guess we'll just go do some harvesting. Good, good. I kinda like that. There you go. What's this stockpile for? Place for stone. Oh, didn't mean that. Huh. Could actually make that now and have it ready. There we go. One iron. Oh, wow, that's massive. Hold on, can I rotate? No, I'm not seeing a prompt for rotating. So, I guess we'll just place it there. Okay, then we place the iron ore there. Yeah. Okay. Is that meat done yet? Yes, it is. Alright, do the other. Oh. And, Can we plant anything yet? No, we don't have any seeds. I wonder if we can just sell these mushrooms. Probably not, but that would be great. Berries. A lot of this should be sellable to the Dead Horse Tavern. We're almost out of time, but I know that we can still, well, at least make a basic furnace today. There we go. Alright. Oh. Character. There we go. Telestone. Dead Horse Tavern. Yo, I'm here to sell. Or trade, I guess. Okay, that's not very much, but it will do for now at least. Alright, let's go talk with the blacksmith and see what we can get now. Oh, hey, I need to actually talk with you. Wealthy merchant achievement. Spell silver. I can offer you amazing, tasty, rare things. Something like that. Yeah, local graveyard keeper. I'm from another world. I want to know how to get back. Oh, great. You're not from here. Oh. Great. Excuse me. Well, what can I get from you? Oh. Huh. Oh, grape seeds. Huh. Could be useful. Not gonna waste my stuff with that. Trying to help you with your hiccups. It's smelling so delicious. Huh. What? I'm sorry, but I didn't understand anything he said. Want to talk with you about the garden? Oh, hey, great. It's now mine. Okay, well that's great. Oh, I don't have any. Still too much. Bats of carrots, cabbages, and beets. Oh, now I'll finally get seeds. It's a deal. Now I can start growing stuff. Nice. That's great. But that's what we're going to end off today's episode. So, folks, I want to thank you all for joining me in today's video, and I'll see all you folks next time when we continue on graveyard keeping.